1,000 subscribers in 30 days. Is it even possible? Yes. I have done it. I have helped others do it. And I am going to show you exactly how. But first, let me be honest with you. Most creators take 6 to 12 months to hit 1,000. Some never do. The difference is not luck. It is strategy. So here is the real strategy. No fluff, no generic advice. A day-by-day plan that works in 2026. Let us go. Week 1 is foundation week. This is where most people fail because they rush. They upload a video, get 10 views, and quit. Do not do that. Spend the first 7 days doing research. Find 10 successful channels in your niche. Study their thumbnails. Study their titles. Study their first 30 seconds. Write down what works. Then, and only then, plan your first 3 videos. Week 2 is creation week. You need to make 3 high-quality videos, not 10 average ones, 3 bangers. Each video should solve one specific problem for your audience, and each video should have a killer hook. Remember, the hook decides if anyone watches. Week 3 is launch week. Upload your first video on day 15. Then wait 48 hours. Do not upload again. Just watch the analytics. See what is working. If your click-through rate is below 5%, change the thumbnail. If your retention drops in the first 30 seconds, re-edit the intro. This is called optimization. Most creators skip it. Week 4 is scaling week. Now you upload your second and third videos. But here is the twist. Each new video should link to the previous one. Use cards, end screens, and verbal cues. Create a mini-series. This keeps people watching multiple videos. Now, here is the secret. The algorithm does not care about your subscriber count. It cares about your session time. If people watch one video, then click another, and another, the algorithm says this channel is valuable. So your goal is not just 1,000 subscribers. Your goal is 3 videos that work together as a system. And one more thing. Do not ignore shorts. Post 1 short per day during week 4. Each short should tease your main video. That drives traffic fast. That is the plan. Week 1, research. Week 2, creation. Week 3, launch and optimize. Week 4, scale with series and shorts. Follow this, and 1,000 subscribers in 30 days is not a dream. It is a target. If you want a detailed checklist for each day, I have linked it in the description. Now go start week 1, and I will see you in the next one.